Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with a mystery box from Luxely Beauty. Now, if you're not familiar, Luxely is more of a hair care, skin care, bath and body, and tools. Now, they have 2 subscription boxes available, but this is a mystery box. I got this for $20. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. What does that say? It says thank you, and then we have all these little squigglies. Wow, there's a lot in here. And that is what it looks like. So let's go ahead. So the first thing on top is by Spa Savvy. These are pore scrubbers. It cleanses pores and brightens the skin. I imagine, it scuffs off all of the dead layers, all the dead skin, so it kind of brightens it up for you. That's what those look like. And they have a little sticky on the back, or what you can do is you can hold it like this and do that. Now, I gave these away. I had a pair of these before, and one of my friends decided to take it. Now, I thought these would be great to clean your makeup brushes, so I'm going to use them for that. And I'm glad I got another one because now I have one. Now I will go ahead and put the retail prices up here so that you can see what these retail for and then how much my box came to at the end. So the next thing by Mavi Bands, it's an adjustable non-slip headband. There it is. It's very cute. Now, I could probably use this to keep my hair back for when I put makeup on, but these are good quality. They're adjustable, but I think I'm going to give this to somebody that has longer hair. Then the next thing is by Cricut. This is a copper comb. And then let's see, the copper properties are known to lessen the buildup of hair naturally produces. The Copper Clean Comb copper infused teeth tip coating helps minimize the appearance of buildup and promotes shiny hair. So you comb through your hair a couple of times a day, and you use this only on dry hair. Don't use it on wet hair, I guess. Don't use it like when you're blow drying. So that's what that is. Wow, now that we've got the 2 big things, look at all this stuff. Okay. Next is the Pure Lease Coconut Oil and Cranberry Silk Body Butter. It smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. Now, I've used a little container of Pure Lease lotion before, and I thought it was really, really nice. I imagine there's a seal on here. There is. So we're not going to open it, but trust me, this is some good stuff. Next, by Skin Chemists London, is a Youth Series Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. Nice. That's what that looks like. Now, it has some pretty small writing on the back. Let me go ahead and take a peek. It says to apply in the morning after cleansing and apply your serum after that. Okay. Yeah, glad to get that. It seems really full, too. And it has a seal. Now, I do have cleansers going right now, so I won't be opening this. Then we have Sebastian Drench Moisturizing Conditioner. Okay, so this is for hair. That's what that looks like. Sebastian Drench. The writing is very small. Conditioner's water-activated ingredients glide through your hair, providing nourishment to dry or frizzy hair. It adds moisture and detangles hair while keeping the body and silky movement, and it is color safe. Ooh, it smells really good. It's real thick. It does have a very like salon spa kind of smell to it. Very nice. Okay. What next? Then by IQ Infusions, Talk, the Detox Shampoo. It's for all hair types. Caffeine and green tea leaf extracts. That's what that looks like. That smells good too. It has a little bit of a perfumey smell, but not that much. So it won't like stay in your hair and reek of perfume. A lot of it rinses out and leaves just a very light odor on your hair. So there is that. Then by Lanza, it's a keratin healing oil, lustrous finishing spray. So after you've styled your hair, you just go ahead and spray some on top, and there you go. It has hairspray qualities to it, but it does leave a little bit of a shine. Next we have by Cuccio, a cuticle revitalizing oil. I like cuticle oils after I've done my nails. It doesn't really have a smell. No, it doesn't really have a smell. Yep, that's a cuticle oil. Yay! This is perfect travel size. So I will put that in my travel size section. Next we have by Redken. This is Iron Shape 11. It's a heat restyling technology thermal holding spray. Okay, so it's a firm holding spray. Let's see what this smells like. It has a very light scent, probably just of the product. It doesn't smell like anything's been added to it. And then, oh, by Sebastian Drench. Oh, here is the shampoo. So let's smell that. Oh, that has a very light scent to it, not perfumey, just like a spa salon type scent. That'll go really good with the conditioner. And then we have by La Rose Francois Facial Cleansing Bar. There it is. Writing on the back is very small. Lather up in the bath or shower using your hands and rinse thoroughly. That's all it says. The rest is in multiple different languages. Let's take a peek. That's what it looks like. It does smell like rose. Now, I might go ahead and use this on my body, but I'm not going to use it on my face because fragrance are not good for your face at all. You can break out and everything. So that's why I will probably just use that on my body, or I might put it in a giveaway I am trying to reach 500 subscribers, so go ahead and smash that button. When I do, I'm going to have an awesome giveaway. So smash that button. Next is Moroccan Rose Light Summer Cream. It's a lightweight moisturizing cream formulated with coconut oil to hydrate and nourish the skin. That's what that looks like. Take a peek. Oh, there's a seal on it. Is there one on the bottom? Yeah. And it's in like a metal tube. It's cute. And it does have a seal on it. Any of these things that are like rose, I probably won't keep. Moroccan Rose Light Summer Cream. I am a migraine sufferer, so any of these fragrances will get me. So that might go in the giveaway. Now, it looks like there's one more thing in the box. Ooh, it's a cute canvasy bag. It's like navy blue with white and red stripes. It is lined with a black washable liner. Very nice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 things for $20. 14. That is definitely worth the $20. I have gifts like for stocking stuffers or to travel or to give away to my friends. So I'm very happy with that mystery box from Luxely. And if you would like one for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave the link for you down below. I'm so glad that you came by today. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you soon.